just one man, but I'm the one man band.
What's up, YouTube? Liquor Dark here. Today I'll be doing a fidget spinner shop. So I will. I have an announcement to make. I want to say congratulations to Dan there for making his 50 subscribers. And I want to make 50 subscribers. I hope you please leave a like on that subscribe button. Because I've already got subscribers. But today, I will be adding Sports Life 12. Someone commented on one of my videos. Anyway, today, I'll be doing it. Ooh, someone, let's see. No. Oh, bed. Someone wants a bed. Let's find that bed. Let's go and get that. Let's go and get that spare bed. I have. Hold on. Where's my bed? That's not bad. One, two, three, four, five, 6. Need 6 wood. Next. Let's just go over this crafting table here. There. So I can place one here. I don't know where they both ended up. Oh, let me check the chest here. Really? Just need an extra one. Well, oh well. Right. Here we go. So bad. I wonder who does these pufferfish. I'm not even hungry. Oh, I think my not Pete survival. Let's see what dog. Hold on, let's change this to clear. There we go. Let's just see which dog I'll be taking with me today. And it will be the black one. Okay. Just put the grey one in. And give this a wee mix about. See which one I'll be getting next. Alright, oh yeah, the black one. Oh, Dinnerbone! I'm taking Dinnerbone with me. Come on, boy. I'm not going back to bed. Alright, so here we are. Let's get the concrete out. I extended this bit out, so to make it a bit easier. Thought that was just but a second. Sorry about that, guys. It's just my mum's been shouting up to me. Anyway, let's get started. I'll build it over here. What's this? Haha. Still don't get it. Probably some planet right. Concrete powder. Eh. I forgot 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Forgot to do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Forgot to smelt this in concrete. So I have. So anyway, yeah, I'll get it all next. I'll get it ready next video. Oh, let me just. Do that there. It was supposed to be up an actual level. So, alright. building is so confusing. So it is. Bring this across. Sit you down, boy. For now, that's lucky none of my dogs died, so they haven't. I'm all out. I'll be back to get some more, guys. Sorry, guys. I forgot I was recording this. So, I just continued building, and I managed to, that's all I have left. And I forgot I was recording. Sorry about that. And I just continued building without these lights. Alright, let's just do this here. See, this is why I hate doing this. Okay. Enough pickaxes, man. Let's just start doing the roof. I'll just run back and get my pickaxe and then grab a bit of food. Hold on. Then when I'm going upstairs and using the food from upstairs, I'll just go upstairs and just grab a pickaxe and then just go straight back down. Pickaxe, then here we go. Here we go. Just one here. No, oh, no one's in here, so wait. Just sneak a couple of these here. Like, no one's noticed. Man, I should get some. I wish people. You know what I would do? I wish some people would like join this world and all. So, whatever. I'm just crafting on. Thank Kevin for that. There we go. We'll just do that there for the time being. Just planning to do like this here, the whole way across, like this. Like just keep placing it straight. And then fill the rest with glowstone. And that'd be fine. Need that one there. There will do. There we go, and I'll just place one here for the time being. There we go. I'll just fill this in all with glowstone for the time being. How about I'll just leave it there. I've been doing recently covering up land yesterday. There's one day I was like almost forgot I do daily. So basically I was covering this up here. Just lighten it up a bit. So I will. If you subscribe, I'll save my life. that boy's life. Save that boy, save that boy, save that boy, save that boy. Freaking 40 subscribers, 500 subscribers. Do one more for the time being. I'll do, you know. Hold on a second here. I'll just do this here. And I'll do that there. There we go. Oh, just about, just enough. So there is. Let's finish this off. So I will. Man, keep getting. Let's craft these all, and I'm not gonna have enough for sure. But I'll just do 1, 2, 1. There. That's all I have. That's all I have enough to. That's all I have enough for. So basically, find a way to do that. Finish that off. I'll take this all out next video as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe for more, leave a comment, and see you next time. Goodbye.
I'm on top to sing from my peak. Everything